Hi, I'm Mariana with Mailchimp, and this video will review how to set up email domain authentication for your custom domain. When you authenticate your custom domain, it can help your email arrive in recipient inboxes rather than spam or junk folders. Keep in mind that before you authenticate, you'll need to verify your domain so Mailchimp can be sure you have permission to send email from it. For more information on how to verify your domain, check out Mailchimp's guides and tutorials. To improve your deliverability, Mailchimp automatically adds default authentication to your marketing emails. This authentication is called Domain Keys Identified Mail, or DKIM, and is a sender identification tool that protects email senders and their recipients from spam, forgery, and phishing. Domains purchased through Mailchimp have DKIM authentication enabled by default. But if you have a custom domain from another provider, you can also set up your own. This allows Mailchimp to display your domain's information in your email header, which can help improve your delivery rates and make your emails look more professional. Today, I'm going to authenticate a custom domain I use to send emails to my customers about upcoming events and sales. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. To begin, I'll navigate to the website icon and click Domains. I previously verified the email domain I want to send from, so I'll click Start Authentication. Next, I'll choose my domain provider from the drop-down menu. If your service or software isn't listed, you'll click Other. Otherwise, I'll click Next. In the next step, I'll need to open a separate browser window or tab and navigate to my domain provider's website to access my domain's records. Most custom domain services provide instructions on how to edit your DNS records on their website. Depending on your service, you can find links on how to edit your DNS records in Mailchimp's guides and tutorials. And after I found my domain's records, I'll return to Mailchimp and click Next. In this next step, I'll follow the instructions for creating new CNAME records. I'll copy the values for my new records here and paste them into the corresponding fields in my domain provider's website. Then I'll repeat the steps for CNAME 2. And when I'm done, I'll click Next. From here, my email domain will be authenticated as soon as Mailchimp can confirm my records are updated and correct. This process could take up to 48 hours, but no need to wait around. Mailchimp will email me when the process is complete. If there are any issues with completing the process, Mailchimp will send an email to tell me what needs to be fixed in order to proceed. So looking at this, my authentication was successful, so I'll see the Authenticated label next to the domain on the domains page of my account. Now I can send through Mailchimp with more confidence in the deliverability of my email marketing. And that's it. You've learned how to set up email domain authentication. To learn more about domains in Mailchimp, check out our guides and tutorials.